Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin inside the Shortcuts app, tap the plus to create a new shortcut, and give it a clear name like Low Power Mode. Once done, add an action by choosing Scripting, then find Set Low Power Mode and set it to turn on. You do this now so the shortcut performs the single task you want. Make sure to save before testing. This first step locks in the core behavior so the rest just handles how you trigger it. Next, connect the shortcut to a trigger you'll actually use. You can add it to the home screen via Share Add to Home Screen, create a widget in Shortcuts, or enable Backtap in Settings Accessibility, touch Backtap and assign the shortcut. Once set, test each trigger to confirm it calls the shortcut. If you want automation, choose Personal Automation in Shortcuts and tie it to time, battery level, or focus. Make sure triggers match your usage. Finish by testing the shortcut thoroughly. Tap the home icon, use the widget, or perform the back tap and verify low power mode turns on. If it doesn't work, make sure Shortcuts has necessary permissions, check that automation requires no extra confirmation, and confirm the action is set to turn on. You can edit the shortcut to add a prompt or change the icon for clarity. One tip: toggle and retest after reboot if triggers seem unreliable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.